Let's say in our current sheet we need to print off our customer orders without the address or phone number data showing. Instead of deleting or moving these columns to accomplish this, we can simply hide the contact details temporarily before printing. To do this, we'll first select the column with Ctrl spacebar and then hold Shift and the right arrow to select the phone number column. We then need to group these columns with Alt A, G, G. When we group columns, you can see that a bracket appears above the columns to tell you that they are grouped. Now we need to hide these columns, and to do this, I'll use the shortcut Alt A, H.